Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your power folding side mirrors in the 2022 Kia Telluride. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in dark moss. Let's get started. Okay, so the power folding mirrors on the Kia Telluride have two different settings. One of those settings is called on driver approach, and as you walk up to the vehicle, it knows that you're within proximity with the key fob and the mirror will automatically unfold. They will also fold in when you lock the vehicle and of course unfold when you unlock the vehicle. Now on the inside of the driver's door, there is a button at the top of this cluster here that will allow you to fold in the mirror as you want to and unfold the mirror as you want to. Now it does not disable it. So what we're gonna do is, in case you didn't want your power folding mirrors to fold, or in the winter time if you don't want any ice or anything building up around the mirror, we're gonna show you how to temporarily disable that until you want to re-enable it again. So let's head into the instrument cluster. Okay, so we're gonna use these buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through the instrument panel. So we're gonna head sideways through the menus to the user settings. We're going to go down into convenience, and then we're going to go to welcome mirror / light. So when I hit OK on that, right now the on door unlock is check marked and on driver approach is check marked. So if we didn't want it to do any folding whatsoever, we're going to go ahead and uncheck the on door unlock. Now the vehicle will not fold or unfold the mirrors as you lock and unlock the vehicle. Now just to show you what we've done, if I go ahead and hit lock now, the mirrors will not fold at all. So let's go and turn it back on. So now when you're ready to turn it back on, we're gonna go back into the same option, and we're just gonna make sure that the on door unlock or on driver approach is check marked on, and now the mirrors will start folding again. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.